Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salima Ben-Khalti and I am a food blogger and photographer in Portland, Oregon, but actually was born and raised in Olympia, Washington. So the Olympia Arab Festival is very near and dear to my heart, especially as someone who is half Moroccan. There weren't many Arab people. There was no large Arab community in Olympia when I was growing up, and so having a festival that was dedicated to the culture was really special. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic Moroccan tomato salad, and it's got a little bit of a twist because if you've ever had Moroccan food, you know this salad is traditionally made with Roma or beefsteak tomatoes, but today we're going to be using cherry tomatoes because I think it adds a little bit more flavor to the recipe and it keeps for a little bit longer because the tomatoes have that thick, durable skin on each slice. It is a tomato salad that's made with, of course, tomatoes, some red onion, parsley, cilantro, some spices, and of course, olive oil. You can't have a Moroccan dish without olive oil. Traditionally in Morocco, we serve this salad as a side with a tagine or any kind of entree, but it goes really well with omelets, on top of bread, almost like a bruschetta, or even just by itself. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. If you are looking for more Moroccan recipes, you can check out my website at www.salimaskitchen.com. And thank you so much for continuing to support the Olympia Arab Festival.